about my 3D grassland project. Another word in Africa, they call it as savanna. What are the animals in the grassland, which is elephant, lion, hippopotamus, giraffe, zebra, eagle, moose, and gorilla. What are the things that I have used, which is glue, scissors, artificial grass, polystyrene, paint, paintbrush, and palette. My parents assisted me. Hope you like it. Thank you. Bye.
Hi everyone, I am Kayden. Today I am going to present my IPC ocean diorama. So this is a narwhal, a shark, a turtle, a sawfish, an octopus, a dolphin, and a crab at the bottom. And some corals, a jellyfish, and some fish. At the top I used a shoebox, some papers, sparkly strings. I hope you like my ocean diorama. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Konzi Yi, and today I'm going to present my forest diorama project. Forests have animals such as foxes, eels, bears, and birds. As you can see, I have 3 tall trees and 1 short tree. All the trees have some wild fruit. I put some river for a decoration. The things I used was a shoebox, paint, marker, and sticker. My auntie helped me to do it, and that's all. I hope you like it. Thank you.
Hi teacher and friends, I am Aaron. Today I am going to present my IPC diorama project. The habitat is grassland for my project. There are many animals live in grassland, such as gorilla, bear, tiger, and elephant. I made this diorama using a shoebox, toy animals, artificial grass, and paint. I made this project with my daddy. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I am Meshak. Today I am going to present my IPC diorama project. I chose Arctic habitat for my project. There are many animal lives in Arctic such as seal, Arctic fox, penguin, dolphin, walrus, polar bear, wolverine, and snow owl. I made this diorama using glue, paint, and box. My mother helped me with this project. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I am Ada. Today I am going to present my IPC diorama project. I chose grassland habitat for my project. As you can see in my project, there are animals such as lion, tiger, rhinoceros, and elephant. I used a shoebox, tape, and stickers, and animal models. My mom helped me with my diorama project. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I am Wing Hong. Today I'm going to present my IPC diorama project. I choose ocean habitat for my project. There are so many animals live in ocean, such as crab, turtle, octopus, lobster, and eel. I use cardboard, toy animals, and stones for my project. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I am Mabel. This is my Arctic diorama. The Arctic animals are here: Arctic hare, Arctic fox, polar bear. The difference about a polar bear is a normal bear eats fruit and meat, but a polar bear only eats meat. Narwhal, orca and beluga. Narwhal is the same as beluga. I use paper, cotton, blue paper, A4 paper, cardboard, tissue and plastic. My father helped to complete